Experiment number 3. Verification of Newton's second law. Aim: to verify Newton's second law of motion. Material required: cart, pulley, weight hanger, blockade, etc. Now we will draw its diagram. This is diagram. It is a cart. This is blockade. This is pulley and this is weight hanger. Theory: Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of the force. That is, F is equals to ma, where F is equals to force applied, m is equals to mass of the body and a is equals to acceleration produced. The acceleration of the moving object can be calculated by s is equals to ut plus half at square. When the object starts moving, its initial velocity u is equals to 0. Therefore, s is equals to half at square, or a is equals to twice s upon t square, where s is equals to displacement, a is equals to acceleration and t is equals to time. Procedure. Point number 1. Arrange the apparatus as shown in figure. Point number 2. A suitable mass is hung on the weight hanger. Point number 3. Release the weight on the weight hanger. 4. Start the timer to record the time of travel of the cart as it starts moving. Point number 5. Note the distance moved and the time taken by the cart. Point number 6. Calculate the acceleration of the object by equation a is equals to 2s upon t square. Point number 7. Calculate m2g and m1 plus m2a. Now we will write observations. Cart mass is represented by m1. Write down here. It is in gram. Vertical mass is represented by m2. Write down here. It is also in gram. Distance travelled by the cart is represented by s. It is in centimeter. Time is equals to t seconds. F is equals to m2g. First of all, you have to find out the value of F. Then write down the value of m2 in gram. Now convert that value of m2 in kg. After that, find out the value of F is equals to m1 plus m2a. Result: m2g and m1 m2a is found to be same. Hence, Newton's second law of motion is verified. Write down the same result here also.